Ansible Playbooks are like your personal IT assistant. They automate tasks so you can sit back and relax. Well, almost. They use YAML, which is so readable that even your pet dog might understand it. Playbooks define what needs to be done and help manage multiple systems, making your life easier. So, let's dive into how they work. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Before you start running playbooks, make sure your setup is ready, like checking if you have all ingredients before cooking. Ansible needs to be installed, SSH access must be set up, and Python should be present on remote hosts. Also, you need an inventory file to tell Ansible where to do its magic. Trust me, skipping these steps is like trying to drive a car without fuel. Think of inventory files as Ansible's contact list. It needs to know whom to call. These files list hosts and can be formatted as INI or YAML. Grouping hosts is handy for efficient management, and variables help customize settings for each host. Without inventory files, Ansible would be like an event planner with no guest list. It just wouldn't work. Want Ansible to target specific hosts? Think of it like sending invites to selected guests for a party. You can define hosts using their IP or domain, group them for easy organization, and assign variables to personalize configurations. And before running playbooks, always test connectivity, because no one likes ghosting, even in IT. Creating an Ansible playbook is like writing a to-do list, except it actually gets done. Tasks are defined in YAML, and modules perform the actions. You specify where the tasks should run using an inventory file, and then execute the playbook with a simple command. It's automation at its best. No more forgetting steps. Sometimes, you just need to focus on one host, like giving VIP treatment. Ansible lets you do that by defining tasks for a specific host and executing the playbook using the Ansible Playbook command. Don't forget to check the logs afterward, because even automation deserves a review. Wanna play it safe? Use the limit option. It's like testing new shoes before wearing them outside. This option lets you target specific hosts or groups, so you don't risk affecting everything at once. Perfect for testing changes without breaking the whole system, because nobody likes unexpected surprises. Host variables are the secret sauce of Ansible playbooks. They allow customization, making tasks more flexible and efficient. Think of them like adjustable seasoning in cooking. You tweak them to get the perfect results. Override defaults, fine-tune tasks, and make your playbook smart. Patterns help Ansible find the right hosts, like using search filters to find the perfect travel destination. Wildcards, group names, and dynamic selections make playbooks smarter and more efficient. If you have a large system, patterns ensure you hit the right targets effortlessly. Let's face it, debugging isn't just finding errors. It's detective work. Using debug modules helps us track every step, like breadcrumbs leading to the truth. Log files are like a crime scene report. They contain all the evidence we need. Breakpoints, think of them as checkpoints in a video game, ensuring we're on the right path. And test cases, well, they're the final boss fight. If we pass, we're victorious. Errors are just life's way of keeping us humble. First, we play detective. What went wrong? Then, we grab our error handling toolbox, making sure things don't blow up. Need help? The tech community is like a superhero team ready to assist. And finally, documenting issues saves us from future headaches. Because trust me, you'll run into these errors again. Nobody likes a sluggish playbook. First, cut out the fluff. Redundant tasks slow us down. Async execution is like giving tasks wings. They fly faster. Resource tuning is like adjusting the speed on a treadmill. It should be just right. And finally, monitoring execution time helps spot those pesky bottlenecks before they become roadblocks. Playbooks are like recipes. Without consistency, things can get messy. Follow coding standards to keep them neat. Version control. It's our time machine, helping us track changes. Security matters. So role-based access ensures no unwanted chefs mess with our ingredients. And updating playbooks. That's like refreshing our menu. Always stay current. Targeting hosts is an art. Dynamic inventory is our magic wand. It finds the right targets on the fly. Conditions ensure tasks only run when needed, avoiding unnecessary hassle. Grouping hosts. That's teamwork at its finest. Distributing tasks efficiently, and custom filters. They're like precision snipers, ensuring accuracy. We covered a lot. Debugging, troubleshooting, optimization, best practices, and advanced targeting. Think of debugging as solving a mystery, troubleshooting as firefighting, optimization as fine-tuning an engine, and best practices as setting up a winning strategy. Keep learning, experimenting, and improving, because technology never stands still. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.